My first wig video and my first wig. I've been thinning, losing my hair, and I decided, let's try a wig. So I saw this wig. It's Kelsie by Envy on a model, and it looked so good. I said, I gotta have it. I'm gonna try it. But when I got it and I put it on, it screamed, wig! Maybe because it's my first wig. I said, well, I gotta fix this. So what did I do? First of all, I like wearing bangs. So I got my scissors and I cut just a little bit at first, just a little fringy bang. And I liked that. But this side was also way long. And I didn't like that. So I got my handy dandy scissors and I cut this side too. And now, see how cute it looks? I wore this wig out dancing, and I've never gotten so many compliments on my hair. And nobody said, is that a wig? And if they did, so what? If you're losing your hair or you just want another look, you can buy hair. So I'm not suggesting that you take scissors and whack on your wigs. You might want to let a hairdresser do it. But for me, I don't like waiting. So anyway, I just fixed my wig. It's so cute, right? Can't remember what color this is. I know it's on clearance. Kelsie by Envy. And the asymmetrical look. Now, I know I'm new to wearing wigs and I need to do some other stuff. But guess what? I wore this dancing and I dipped at least 5 times. I had a wig on and didn't move. So that's my story about my first wig and how I made it me. And how if you get a wig and then it looks all weirdo because your face is going to be a different shape than the model, see what you can do to make it yours. Normally, I'm an EFT expert and a spiritual healer, and I don't usually do videos about wigs, but we're all about helping each other, right? And if you have information that helps somebody, it's good to share it. Share this video.